Welcome to Share Inspirations, guys. Today we are planting clematis vine, the Nelly moser variety. This produces flowers very similar to stargazer lily. I don't believe they're fragrant. Again, this is something that I have acquired from my plant exchanges, and I'm very excited to get this planting. Come spring, I should be able to cut some of this. And what I want to do is I want to train this where I had my morning glory vine. If you remember, I had posted some pictures of my morning glory vine that I had trained up a tree. Morning glory is an annual, so every year I would have to plant that. However, clematis, it goes down and it comes back on its own every year. So I'm kind of excited to get this planting. All right, so here is our root. Pretty healthy root system. I'm not going to try and separate this. I'm just going to go ahead and keep it as is and just plant in this little spot. Again, I have used my wonderful auger. The link to purchase this auger is going to be found in the description box below. I also have a Facebook group and a website that you guys could view for written blogs, as well as join my Facebook group so you can stay updated to what I'm planting and what I'm cutting. Alright, so here we are. I was told to not cut these for now, the crispy vines, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it as is, come back out here to check. Now, if you notice in Home Depot walking around that you will find Bareroot plants of columbine, clematis, bleeding heart, let's see what else is there that you see along the lines of where the bulbs are kept. So I personally have always wanted to grow clematis, but couldn't find the right color that I wanted. I'm a big fan of the color purple, so I grow a lot of that. And here we are. We're going to, again, these things, this is a paint stir from Home Depot. So far seems to be working pretty good. I haven't had any complaints, but then again, it hasn't been long enough for me to start recommending yet, so bear with me a little bit longer. And I will keep you guys posted. So here we have clematis, the Nelly moser variety, planted, and hoping for some flowers, some cut flowers next year from a vine that I'm going to train on my tree where I had the morning glory. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.